In this video, I'll show you how to use the green screen effect on TikTok. If this helps you, please consider subscribing and giving this video a like so others can find it. We're gonna open Instagram and we're gonna tap on the plus icon to create a new video. Before you start recording your video, you're gonna go into the effects area. To do that, simply tap on the first effect that TikTok shows you at the bottom. In my case, is going to be this one right here. And once you're here, go ahead and tap on all effects at the bottom. Now, TikTok will probably show you the green screen effect under the trending category. But if it doesn't, you can just search it by tapping on this little search icon and you can just type green screen. Now you're going to select the green screen effect that you need. So if you need a video behind you, go ahead and select the video option. And if you need a picture, just go ahead and select the first option that says green screen. Now, TikTok is going to show you some of the pictures that you have on your camera roll. So you can just go ahead and select the one that you want to use. Now go ahead and simply tap on your face and you can just move yourself to the top or the bottom and you can make yourself look bigger or smaller. Now you can press the record button and you can start filming your video. And that's it. Hope that helps.